It's 33 degrees today, probably the hottest day of the year. Let's see how well these plants are adapting to the heat. It's just turned 7 in the morning. I just wanted to show you the morning shots. The sun comes over from that way, look. And then it goes up behind the house, we get a bit of shade, and pops back over. Yeah. Just wanted to show you the angle. Well, the plants are the way they are in the morning, so they make sure they catch all the sun, nothing's blocked or obstructed, all ready for the day. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Thursday to you all. It is Thursday 25th of June 2026 and it is day 130 of the Chilli grow up. 33 degrees here today. Super hot. We are not used to it. I mean, it's so nice, but just got to get in the shade, and air conditioning is a mystery to this country, so we all just sit and bake, put the fans on, circulate that warm air round and round and round the house. So hot. I've had about 2 hours sleep in the last 2 days. You know, you just lie in bed and sweat, don't you? It's horrible. Jump up, jump in the shower for 30 seconds, jump back out, you're hot again. You know, and little Lucy, bless her, and all of her getting up and just soaking her in cold water and letting her dry off naturally, and she's all right then, but poor little thing, she don't get hot. Hope you're doing well, everybody. I really hope you're having a nice time in this sun and it's not too overwhelming for you. So today we're waiting on that soil delivery still, and I don't want to risk it because it might not be today, and if I don't have a video out for you people, then that's not daily videos, is it? Not a daily update. So what we're going to do today, I think in these last few days, after the fertilizer and all of that wonderful sunshine that we're experiencing right now, there he is up in the sky, giving all these plants energy. Let's have a little look through them all. Thank you. Here is our Armageddon. Really nice. Not tall, but very bushy. The leaves are looking great on the Armageddon. Here's our Carolina Reaper. Looking beautiful as well. Just excellent. Carolina Reaper. Regular Jalapeno. Now, lots going on in the middle there, but it looks like it's struggling a bit. These leaves are a bit droopy. So we'll check on it in a few days. Might need to dry out that water and fertilize a bit more. Not too bad on the jalapeno. I have another Armageddon here. Huge leaves. Looks like lettuce leaf, like spinach. But yeah, really nice. Doing good. Not too tall, but looking lovely on the Armageddon. Here's a Padrón. Looking just fantastic. Nice and tall. What's going on? Looking perfect on the Padrón. I have a Cayenne here, and it's split in the middle. Look, it's starting to branch out. Beautiful stuff. The Cayenne. Here is a Kashmiri Mirch. No problems there on the Kashmiri Mirch. We've got a Poblano next, looking great too. Split off there, look. Nice and tall. Very nice. Poblano. Here's our Buena Mulata. Look how well it's done. Beautiful. Buena Mulata. A Tabasco. Stem is full of new stuff there. Beautiful. Tabasco. Look at this ghost pepper. See some little buds starting to show up. Lovely. Ghost pepper. Black jalapeno. Very small. Some flower buds there, look. Let's get a bit bigger first. But looking lovely. black jalapeno. Here's another ghost pepper. And you see, we've already got loads of flower heads, loads of buds. Starting the show here on this ghost pepper. Very nice indeed. Sweet bananas up next. And as well, I can see little flower heads there, look. Crazy. Sweet banana. And here's our Cayenne, our overwintered Cayenne. It's quite the tree now. Oh, what do we have here? Do you know what? Let's let this flower go. No one growing there. Let's let the bees pollinate this and the insects. Let's let this be a chili. Let's go for it. Looking great though, isn't it? Oh, loads of new growth and branching out. The overwintered Cayenne. Here's another Cayenne in the smaller, well, the bigger pots, but smaller than the grow bags. Very nice indeed. Yeah, no complaints there on this Cayenne. Here's that Tabasco that we transplanted not too long ago. Blowing away in the wind. Those leaves are a bit curled in. They may be new, but I think might be a bit too much water. You can see there. Keep an eye on it. Should be fine on the Tabasco. Here's another Cayenne. And look at all this going on here. Lots of new buds and shoots. So much going on. Exciting times on this Cayenne. And another Cayenne that we transplanted. Also, lots of new buds and flowers showing. We'll have some Cayennes very, very, very soon. Both very nice indeed. Here's a Zebrange. We transplanted this not too long ago as well. Getting lovely. It's that little ladybird there, look, ladybug. Different colours. Very nice, so tall. Super strong stem on the Zebrange. Wow, the wind is blowing, but as you can see, they're holding their own. Super strong. Most of them have got support canes, but they're doing okay. And you can see with the smaller potted plants, there's our Kashmiri Mirch there. These are all going to get transplanted as soon as we can get this soil in. Grow bags are ready to go. Yep, all of these. See the sides there, they've all got to get into the grow bags. Some of those ghost peppers in these seed propagators. It's there. And then also in our mystery tray, do you see there is one new one. May as well put that in a cup. But yeah, there we go everybody. A little bit of a weird one, not what was planned, but we'll have some transplants hopefully tomorrow. So that wraps up day 130. I want to thank you all for joining us. It means the world to me. 130 days we've been doing this. And it looks like we might be seeing some chilies very, very soon. If you're enjoying this daily vlog, please don't forget, give us a like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We're doing this every single day. Thank you all once again. You take care of yourselves. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Thank you all. Take care. Have a lovely Thursday. We'll see you tomorrow. See you Friday for day 131. Thank you. Bye-bye.